We'll guide you through how to find jobs at Printful. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your internet browser and navigate to Printful's official website by typing printful.com into the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you will find a section labeled Company. Under this section, click on the Careers link. This will take you to the Printful Careers page. On this page, you'll see a list of available job opportunities across various departments like marketing, IT, and customer service. You can browse through these listings to find a role that suits your skills and interests. To narrow down your search, use the filters provided at the top of the jobs list. You can filter by department, location, or job type, which helps you find positions that match your criteria. Once you find a job you're interested in, click on the job title to view more details about the role, including responsibilities, qualifications, and benefits. If the position is a good fit, click on the Apply button, typically found at the bottom of the job description. This will redirect you to an application form where you can submit your resume and any other required documents. Make sure to fill out all the necessary fields and double-check your information before submitting. Remember, tailoring your resume and cover letter to the specific job can increase your chances of standing out. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.